Hi everyone, welcome to physics class. Humans have always been curious about nature. Are you curious about nature? Then you will definitely love physics. What is physics? The word physics originates from a Greek word which means nature. Physics is the study of natural phenomena and their manifestations through different principles and scientific laws. Physics is actually broadly classified under classical mechanics. Let's see some of the interesting facts related to physics in our day-to-day life. So, classical mechanics mainly deals with macroscopic properties. What is meant by macroscopic? The word macroscopic means the matter which have large mass or sufficient mass. Again, classical physics is broadly classified under mechanics. What is meant by mechanics? You all study Newton's laws of motion in lower classes, universal law of gravitation and other properties like velocity, acceleration, displacement. These all words are very familiar to you. These all comes under the category of mechanics. So, mechanics deals with motion and forces which produces motion. You all studied inertia, isn't it? Inertia is the inability of a body to change its state of rest or of uniform motion. If the mass of the body is very large, a large force is required to stop the body when it is in motion, or when the body is at rest, a large force is required to set that in motion. So actually the mass determines the inertia of a body, but in case of rotational motion, only mass determines inertia. Have you observed the wheels of some heavy vehicles? For example, in the case of a tractor, one wheel is little higher and another wheel is little smaller. Have you observed this? Or in the case of rotational motion, not only mass determines inertia but also the size determines inertia. So in case of size, you have to consider the radius of such wheels or such objects. So in case of rotational motion, moment of inertia determines actually the stability of the body when it is in motion or it is in rest. Now, have you observed cats jumps from heights? In any way, it will not hurt, isn't it? Why it is so? That also can be explained using physics. My sound is heard by you because of propagation of waves. That also comes under mechanics. So what is mechanics? Mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with motion or the forces which produces motion. Okay. Then next branch of physics is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics deals with heat, temperature and heat related equipments like petrol engine, diesel engine, refrigerator, AC, etc. Okay, so what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is the branch of physics which deals with temperature, properties of that, how the temperature affects solids, liquids and gases and related equipments. Did you observe that metal handles are colder to touch in winter or in AC rooms? Because we know that temperature always flows from a hot body to a cold body when it is kept in contact with each other. So, when we touch such cold objects, then what happens? The temperature from our body flows to the object, right? We feel colder, isn't it? Understand? Okay. So, these all comes under thermodynamics. Now, pass on to the next branch of physics, that is optics. Optics is the branch of physics which deals with light and light related equipments. how the rainbow is formed, why there is reddish color in the sky at the time of sunrise and sunset, how dispersion of light happens when it passed through a prism. This all can be explained using optics. Or some optical instruments also can be studied. Which is a natural optical instrument? Can you guess that? Yeah, natural optical instrument is our eye, isn't it? You all have studied that our eye consists of a biconvex lens in its structure. The rays coming from the objects in front of us goes through or passes through the biconvex lens present in our eye and falls on the retina. Retina is as a screen there, isn't it? So, a natural optical instrument is eye. Then there are some other instruments also, telescope, microscope, all is related with optics. And if you have any defections in your eyesight, that also can be corrected using optometry. So I have a spectacle. For that particular defect of eye, which lens is to be used? That also can be described in optics. Next branch of physics, that is electrodynamics. What is meant by electrodynamics? The study of charges at rest or in motion and their properties comes under the branch of physics called electrodynamics. There are several other branches of physics also. Can you guess some branches of physics rather than this? Yeah, it is astrophysics, then geophysics, then nanophysics. Nowadays, all are in a world of electronics, isn't it? Electronics is the base of all communications and all the other electrical equipments is converted to electronic equipments. These comes under the category of semiconductor physics. But all we have studied in this class, different branches of physics. Main branch of physics is classical mechanics. Classical mechanics deals with macroscopic properties of matter. So there will be another branch related to microscopic properties. What is that called? Do you know that? That is called as quantum mechanics. In the first year, we study classical mechanics mainly. Okay. Then under classical mechanics, there is other branch called mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with motion and forces which produces motion. Now, the next part is thermodynamics. What is meant by thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is the another branch of physics which deals with temperature, heat and heat engines, how the different properties are changed when temperature is absorbed and when temperature is released. All this comes under thermodynamics. Another branch of physics is optics. What is meant by optics? The branch of physics which deals with light and light equipments. Now what is electrodynamics? Electrodynamics is the branch of physics which deals with the charged particles at rest or some properties of the charged particles in motion. When the charged particles are in motion, that constitute current electricity. That also you have studied, isn't it? So today we discuss different branches of physics. So these comes under our first chapter and the chapter name is Physical World. So hope all of you became interested in physics. See you in the next class.